How to delete Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can delete your Cash App account. So first of all, just open your Cash App on your smartphone, and after that, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from there, just scroll down and click on support. And now just click on accounts and settings, and here just scroll down, and there you will see this option called delete your personal account and close your Cash App account. So if you want to delete your personal information, so you can go ahead and do that. And if you directly want to close your Cash App account, just click on close your Cash App account, and here it will ask you for the confirmation, and it will also showing here is that before you close your Cash App account, you have to sell all your bitcoins and stocks in your account available. You also have to keep the amount that you have in your Cash App account in your Cash App account. You also have to remove it from your account in order to delete your Cash App account successfully. And while closing your Cash App account, your cash tag will be disabled, and that will prevent you from receiving and sending any of the transaction in the future. So if you're okay with the terms and condition and the consequences of closing your Cash App account, just go ahead and click on confirm, and this is how you will be able to delete your Cash App account. I hope you find this video to be informative. Thanks for watching. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.